Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Rave at video chat. When to this video, I'm gonna teach you how to video call in Rave app. So, as you can see right now, Rave app video call. So, Rave app video call. While some people say there's Rave app video call, but the Rave app allows you to watch movies and show friends while chatting in real time. However, it doesn't currently support video calling. You can use text and voice chat features within the app to communicate during watch parties. So other ways to do this, we have an alternate. I'll list down this. Alternate for video calling while watching together. Since Rave app doesn't support video calls, you can use separate video calling app alongside Rave. Here's how. So you have number one, set up a video call. Use app like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet to start video call with your friends. And then number two is join a Rave watch party. While on the video call, open the Rave app and join the watch party as described above. And number three, sync playback. Ensure everyone is in the rave room to watch the contents simultaneously while seeing each other on the video call. So there you go, guys. That's how you do or watch rave while on a video call. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. A quick tip for you guys: the best app to use while doing this is for me is Messenger. So why in Messenger? Because Messenger you can create a GC, although you can create in others, but Messenger is the most common use in video calling in all countries, but not like all, but some has preference. But Messenger is like more common, or most people have Messenger than Google Meet or other of those apps, Zoom. So yeah, there you go, guys. But there you go. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.